In this video, we are going to take a look at Memelord.com, which is a cool tool to create memes, right? And so there are different ways we can use this service. Like we can do things manually, and we can also make use of their API. So first, we are going to take a look at the editor, and we will try to create memes from Claude Code directly consuming their APIs. And we will see some aspects that could be improved in order to make use of their API in Claude Code or OpenClaw or anything really. So let's start. So basically there is this, when you sign up to Memelord, you get access to this dashboard, and you see trending memes, classic memes, and so on and so forth. And basically I'm going to start with trying to make some meme about a way to take the template guy in corner of party, and I'm going to add some text. Let's say I'm going to say they don't come on. We don't see anything. They don't know I made $50 from my SaaS reviews. By the way, thanks again if you're watching this video. So yeah, basically here is the meme, right? I can change the font, right? So I can basically, Comic Sans is the way, right? And I can try to augment the text this way, they don't know, maybe it's too big. Okay, they don't know I made $50 from my SaaS reviews, right? And I'm going to make it lowercase even. So here is the meme. And from there, I can just export the meme. Is it going to take the whole thing? Yeah, you've got to select everything apparently. And I will just do the load, right? So here's my meme, and I can just post it on X, right? So let's post it. They don't know I made $50 from my SaaS reviews. I'm just going to post it and done, right? In a future video, we are going to see if we can automate both this memes creation, as well as the publication, on social media. Maybe we want to publish things on X, on Instagram in the same time, and we are going to see it later, right? So that's basically how you make use of this SaaS. You can also make use of trending templates in here, pixelated Trump or anything. You can also see examples, so that's really cool. So let's see examples, your entire feed for the next days and so on. So that's really cool. You can see examples to get inspiration and so on. Something we want to try now is to make use of their API. So to make use of their API, I already created myself an API key, and basically you can use it with OpenClaw, right? So there is this skill that allows to consume the API from OpenClaw, but as I'm not an OpenClaw user, I'm a Claude Code user, I downloaded the zip and I prepared it for Claude Code, actually. So I can just prompt Claude Code to generate me some memes, right? So that's what we are going to try. If you want to learn more, just explore the documentation in here. You can also take a look at the ClawHub/IamJasonLevin/Memelord. You can just find it on the Jason Levin X account. Just explore for things if you want it. And basically, we are going to see how to create memes from Claude Code or OpenClaw. It could be anything really. And let's say, I just open a Claude Code session, and I type /Memelord. That's my skill. So I created myself a skill to consume Memelord, and I will say, let's make a video meme about developers spending creating a SaaS nobody wants. right? That's me. Creating a SaaS that nobody wants. So let's give it a try. It failed to actually apparently find the skill, so that's weird. Oh, that's probably that there lacks some file. Yeah, it was lacking some outputs directory to which my skill is writing. And so it's getting back the information on how to create this meme, right? The only thing that I found lacking, really, that I want in the future, I'm going to report it to the team. I hope, by the way, that they watch this video. But I would love actually that we, like, for example, I knew from my previous meme that I wanted to make use of the guy at the corner party meme, this one. But I don't have easy way to figure out, or if there is, I don't know where. But I don't know exactly how I can get this template ID. So it's a little bit hard for me to feed it. Like, yeah, it would be great if like I had a way to copy the template ID or something. That would be very handy since I know that I want to create a SaaS, a meme, sorry, with this template. Okay, so we've got our video, so let's take a look. When your 6-month SaaS has 0 users. So yeah, that's a really good one. Actually, that's definitely something I'd like to post on Instagram, for example. So yeah, this thing is really great. Like Memelord, just try it now. It's really, really fun. Like it's going to be perfect. Like I'm pretty sure like in a few weeks is going to be my go-to to create SaaS. I'm not the funniest guy in the room, but like with this thing, I'm going to be crazy with memes. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it funny. You can integrate it, like, let's say you've got a SaaS and you want to generate memes. Like, you could even send memes in your onboardings. Like, my previous video was about onboarding workflows and so on. You could actually, like, go to context.dev. You go to context.dev, you gather some feedback of your customers, and you can just onboard them with nice memes. Like, that'd be perfect. So that's the future of SaaS. That's the future of onboarding. You make use of context.dev. You maybe bring some digistorms, and you make use of the Memelord API, and you've got the world's best onboarding on earth. Nobody like it will be the best onboarding on earth. Like, yeah, that's basically the best. I hope, like, let me know if you do such a thing. I love to see it live. Like, if you ever make such a thing as like onboarding your users with nice memes and context about their companies, like it's just the future. Like that's the future of marketing, I believe. Sorry, Jason, I'm not a genius trying to look like suggesting people to launch AI CMO in some sense, but I think it could be a really cool project. Like, yeah, it could be the world's best onboarding experience on earth. If I were to restart a SaaS in the future, I would probably do such a thing. The conversion rate could be crazy. Or at least I think it could be. So yeah, I hope this gave you some ideas. I hope someone in the team will probably like make it simpler to make use of an existing template, because I tried it before. I'm not sure if I did something wrong, let me know. But I couldn't like tell, okay, I tried it with Word, like, okay, make use of this template, and it wasn't cached up. And I tried finding the idea. I guess there are some ways, but yeah, not easy way at least. So that was it for this video. Let me know what you thought about it. Like, it was a funny one. I loved making this video and see you in the next one.